Okay, today I would like to introduce the cavitation vacuum RF functional machine for you guys. Firstly, let's see the cavitation handle. As you can see the operate function. Okay. Firstly, size the time. One treatment about 30 minutes and the cavitation energy normally from 4 or 5. There are two models of the cavitation. Okay, the next is the vacuum handle for body. Also sign the times, normally 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And the RF energy from 4 or 5 too. Here is for adjust the pressure. Okay, and it has 3 models of the vacuum. 调节下负压的模式。模式3种模式。3 models. Okay. Next one. RF handle. Normally we use 20 to 25 minutes, and also the energy start from the 4 to 5. It's okay. RF handle is for the body or face. It's okay. And the next one is the smaller pen. The function including the RF and vacuum. Sign the times 15 to 20, and also the RF start from the 4 or 5. Okay. It also has 3 vacuum motors. Okay, the next one is the Baxter vacuum cavitation functional handle. Now we can see it can cite the technology date on the handle screen. Cavitation, laser line, RF. The vacuum is in the middle, the big pressure, big button. Okay, now let's see how to operate on the client. Firstly, put some gel on the berry. Now let's operate the cavitation handle. On this machine, only the 40K cavitation use the gel to operate. The other handles use the slimming oils to operate. Okay, next one. Let's see the vacuum handle. seaming oil on the berry. Okay, next one. Next one is the RF handle. Also use the slimming oil. And made a circle treatment method. About 20 to 25 minutes, it's okay. According to client's feeling to adjust the energy of the RF handle. Okay. Next is the fixed functional handle. Firstly, cite the technology date. This handle normally for the belly needs 30 minutes, for the buttock 20 minutes for lifting the buttocks. From the outside to the inside for shaping the berry. Disguise the berry is not enough fat, so we can see the suction on the berry. If we're fat guys, we can see they can suck the fat. Okay. Now let's see the vacuum up handle for the face and eyes around. Firstly, cleaning the face. Oil. And side technical date. Also from the 405 and a coding client feeling to adjust. This handle treatment time around 15 to 20 minutes. From here to here is for lifting the face. Okay.